Discover the magic of Google Docs, whether you are writing and people collaborating on a project or organizing your thoughts. This versatile tool makes it easy on differences. Let's dive in and unleash your creativity. So hey everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to start with Google Docs. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Google Docs and you'll find this one. You just have to click over it and you will find this page. Once you do that you will find this. So you can also go to your Google Drive or your Google and you will find here Google Docs as you can see. So to get started, all I have to do is just click over here. But before, let's know what is Google Docs. Google Docs is a free web-based word processing application that allows users to create, edit, and collaborate on documents online in real time. It offers various formatting tools, templates, and easy also sharing options, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. So you have just to click over here and you will find this page as you can see. So to start with Google Docs, you have just to choose a blank document, select from various templates, familiarize yourself with the toolbar for formatting options, inserting images and adding links. To collaborate, click the share button, enter email addresses and set permissions for others to view or edit your document. You're ready to start creating and collaborating seamlessly. So I will show you how. So first of all, you have just to write, for example, a title here. I will write test. And if you want to make it personal, also here we have, if you want to save it, you have here, if you lose an internet connection, you can't edit this document. To access your documents without an internet connection, turn on offline. So also here we have, if you want to move it, you can move it to the drive or here are the options like shared or locations here. I have here my drive, shared drives, computers shared with me also. Then we have here other things like, for example, here in the file. So I'll show you all these options. So first of all, if you want to choose the meeting notes, we have here date, calendar, event. We have attendance here, notes also, action items, and we have also here email draft. For example, you have just to choose to which person and the person that received this email draft, and we have here also subject. Then we have here more options as you can see. For example, here we have if you want a date, mirror notes, email draft, product roadmap, review tracker, project assets, launch contact tracker. Then here we have other options like file. I just choose new here, open. If you want to share, if you want to move also, and version history, details, if you want to choose the language, here we have here the languages you can see. We have page setup also. Then we have here the option of edit as you can see. Then we have here view. So you choose the option that you want, for example, as you can see. Then you have here insert also. As you can see from an emoji, drawing, and you have here drop down, smart tips, then we have here format, text, paragraph styles, align and indent, and we have line and paragraph, columns, path and numbering, and we have here headers also. Then we have here the tools, for example, spell and grammars, and we have word count, citation, and we have also extension, as you can see, and we have here help if you want any help, you'll find it here. So for example, I will write something here. I want to write a title here, for example. First of all, this one. So for example, I will choose here the size. I will choose, for example, this one because it's free, and I will choose, for example, the bold. And then we have, I will choose the text color. I will write it in a different color. For example, I will choose red. And also here, if you want a normal text, I will choose also title, as you can see. Or for example, I will choose heading. No, I will choose title, of course. And here we have the size. And also I will choose if it's bold. And we have italic here. You can also click over Control plus E and we will find it. And we have here underline and text color. So I will choose bold here and I will write, for example, Google Docs like that. Then I will come back and I will choose here to text, for example, I will choose heading 1 and I will put it here. I will just click over here and I will just put it in the middle. Then let's come back. I will choose, for example, I will choose heading 1 like that. And I will choose also the size, for example, I will choose here this one. And I will come back. I will choose also if it's italic. And the color text, I will choose, for example, this one. So for example, firstly, how to start with Google Docs, as you can see. Then if you want to also here alignment like that, you choose here, for example, this one, or you choose the one you want, for example, this one. And also we have here line and paragraph spacing, and we have here checklist if we want, bold list also, and we have a number list and more options also. And here we have the size of the page, so we'll choose, for example, this one, or we can just let it like that, and like that, so you choose the one you want. Then we have here also search the menu here if we want to come back, and we have here redo, print also, spell and grammar check, print format, and we have here styles, fonts here, for example, you choose the one you want, as you can see, and you have just to write whatever you want here, and you click over share and you save it, and then you share it with the person that you want, or your co-workers or other things. So this is how it works with Google Docs. You can just get started as soon as possible. You have your various options to write whatever you want without find any problems. So Google Docs is a powerful tool that simplifies documents and creation collaboration. Its user-friendly interface and real-time editing features enhance productivity for individuals and teams alike. Embrace Google Docs to streamline your workflow and unleash your creativity. So this is how it works, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.